In this video, you will learn how to use the Lake Washington Institute of Technology Financial Aid Student Portal. The Student Portal is a useful tool for knowing your financial aid status and viewing your award letter once available. To reach the Student Portal, navigate to the LWTech Financial Aid webpage at www.LWTech.edu/FinancialAid. On the right-hand side, click on the blue button for the Student Portal login. Once navigated to the Student Portal, you'll be asked to log in. Your username is your Social Security number if you completed the FAFSA, or if you completed the WASFA, your username will be your WASFA ID number. Your password is your 6-digit date of birth, month, day, year. For example, if you were born on July 15, 1990, your password would be 071590. If you're having trouble logging into your Student Portal, please contact the Financial Aid Office and we'll be happy to help you. Once logged in, please ensure you're on the correct aid year. You can toggle the aid year by clicking the Year drop-down and selecting the correct aid year that you want. Please note the LWTech academic year runs from summer through spring. So, in the 2021 through 22 academic year, you will see information associated with summer 2021 through the end of spring 2022. On your Student Portal, you can view your student information. This includes your student ID, which is also your Social Security number, not your school's student ID, your name, which aid year, including the year and the quarters that this information applies to, your status for financial aid. This is your dependency status, so this is either independent or dependent student, your estimated cost of attendance, your expected family contribution or EFC, your student need. This is your estimated cost of attendance minus your EFC. The academic status for financial aid is intentionally left blank. This is not meant to be used to determine what your specific financial aid status is. You can also view your financial aid award in the Student Portal under the My Awards/Opportunity Pathways section. You can see which award you received, such as grants, loans, or scholarships, the amount of your award, the status of your award, whether it is accepted or simply offered, and the quarters which these awards will be dispersed for. If you do not see any awards, you could be missing some documents. To find out if you're missing any documents, check the Information We Need From You section towards the bottom of this page. Requested documents will show up here with the date due for the date that we requested the item. The date received date will be populated when the requested item has been received or resolved. Not all requirements involve completing a form on our Forms webpage. Items like clarifying your program can be resolved over email once your program has been updated. If you have a question about what is being requested from you or how to resolve an item, please contact the Financial Aid Office. When all requested items have a date received date, your file is complete. If you have no awards but your file is complete, it may just be pending to be processed. We process files in file completion date order. Your file completion date is determined by when you complete the FAFSA or WASFA and when documents were submitted after receiving notification. We will email your LWTech student email when an item is needed to complete your file. When our office notifies you that we need additional information, you have 3 weeks to submit the requested information. If you submit the requested information within these 3 weeks, your file completion date will be the date that your FAFSA or WASFA was completed. If you submit the requested information after 3 weeks, your file completion date will be the date that we received the last requested item. Processing a financial aid application takes several months from the date that the aid application is complete, so it's important that you apply as early as possible and submit all requested information when notified. Remember, the FAFSA and WASFA opens every October 1st for the following academic year. For example, the 2022-23 FAFSA and WASFA opened on October 1st, 2021. If you have any additional questions about how to use the Financial Aid Student Portal, please contact the Financial Aid Office. Our contact information and hours of availability can be found on the Financial Aid webpage. You can also email us at financialaid@lwtech.edu.